Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming both mobile numbers receive SMS and calls. This prevents delays. Once done, open Phonepe and sign in with your primary number. Make sure the app is updated to avoid UI changes. Next, navigate to Profile My Account to start adding another number. You will trigger an OTP to the second number, so have that device or SIM at hand. This initial verification is critical because Phonepe ties payments and KYC steps to verified numbers. Now you add the second number. Go to Settings, then Linked Accounts or Phone Numbers, and choose Add Number. Enter the other mobile number exactly, then request the OTP. Do not switch apps while waiting. When the OTP arrives, type it in. Phonepe may ask for a quick confirmation or re-authentication with your primary number for security. Once accepted, the second number becomes verified. Make sure to wait for the success message before proceeding to payment or bank link steps. Finish by assigning which number receives payment alerts and which links to your bank or UPI. Go to Bank Accounts to set preferences. You can set the primary contact in Profile so notifications and receipts use that number. If something goes wrong, first retry the OTP after 2 minutes and choose the Call OTP option if SMS fails. If verification still fails, restart the app, check network and SMS permissions, and contact Phonepe support only after these steps to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.